How to put someone else's post on your Instagram story. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily put someone else's post on your Instagram story. So first thing, just head over to your Instagram application and make sure you are successfully signed in to your account. So as you can see, I've already successfully signed into my account. I've already signed into my account. So just scroll down and find a particular post that you like to share. So as you can see, this is the post of this particular Instagram page and I would like to share it to my story. So to do that, all you have to do is just click on the share icon over here right next to the comment section, as you can see right over here. So just tap on this and just click on this add to story button over here, and you can also put a music or zoom it out accordingly to make your fit your size of your choice. And just click on this music icon over here and you can set a music as well to it, and you can also add a caption or any text behind with a colorful text styles as well. And just click on this post or your story button just like that, and that is exactly how you can easily post someone else's posts on your Instagram story. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.